This is all the hand sanitizer I have left, and none of the stores in my area has anymore. So what am I going to do? Stay tuned to see what Mrs Vee does. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, guess what? We're going to be making our own hand sanitizer according to the CDC guidelines. So, of course, you know hand washing is the best practice. But if you're in a situation where you're not able to do hand washing, then the next best effective thing is hand sanitizer according to the CDC. So, the CDC guidelines for making your own hand sanitizer is the following. You need 99% alcohol. I'm using what I have. This is 50%. I understand that. But you need 99% alcohol for it to be effective. So I'm going to use what I have, because you know my channel is all about saving money. And you need some aloe vera gel. And look, my sister bought this for me last year and I never did use it. This is some aloe vera soothing gel. Some sunblock, and I'm going to use it, and it smells good. And you will also need, if you would like, some type of essential oils for to give the sanitizer a fragrance, but I don't need any essential oils because this smells good. I smelled it before I started the video. So yay, God has already provided me with the things I need. Didn't even know I was gonna do this video. And some type of container, and I already had this container from the Dollar Tree, and it's just your regular container for soap, but I'm gonna use it for hand sanitizer. Look at that. So these are the items I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna use my measuring cup, and I have a whisk. So this is all the hand sanitizer I have left, so I'm gonna make some more. So I wrote everything down because I wasn't able to screenshot it. So it says the key is to do 2 parts alcohol to 1 part of aloe vera gel. The alcohol, this would dilute, say I had the 99% alcohol. When you mix it with the aloe vera gel, this dilutes the alcohol and it brings the content down to about 60%. So that's why they want you to start out with 90% alcohol, because the aloe vera gel dilutes it. So I got 50%, so it's gonna dilute mine down to about 30%. But anyway, I'm just gonna use what I have. I'd rather have some protection than none. So the first thing I'm going to do is mix 3/4 cups of alcohol with 1/4 cup of aloe vera. And the aloe vera helps to counteract the harshness of the alcohol. So that's the purpose of the aloe vera. And some more options you can use if you don't have any essential oils. You can use lemon juice. You can use anything just to give the sanitizer, a fragrance. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to put a disclaimer down in the bottom of my video saying that these are the CDC guidelines for making hand sanitizer that I got off Google. So that's it. So stay tuned to see me make my hand sanitizer. Another measuring cup. So I need to do 3/4. This is 1/4, so I'm just going to use this 3 times. So we're pretending it's 99% alcohol. And we're going to do 1/4 cup of the aloe vera. It already looks like hand sanitizer. And it's so I'm going to whisk this together until it's all mixed. As it sits, I think it thickens up. So I'm going to let that sit for a little while and I'll be back. Alright, this is my hand sanitizer. It's still kind of thin, but I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here. do that one more time so I can fill the entire container up. And I'll be back. Alright, I got my hand sanitizer all made. Let's test it out. I've already tested it out, but I'm going to test it out on the camera. Okay, this is my handmade sanitizer. Look at the consistency. It's like a gel. And this is the hand sanitizer that I purchased. So they're about the same. So that's it. So shop your home to see what items you have so you can make your own hand sanitizer since the stores are sold out. Let me do that one more time because I don't think that was on. Let me do it where you can really see it. Okay, this is mine. And this is the store-bought one. Both of them about the same. Yay, I'm excited. And it smells pretty good. The aloe vera sunblock gel smells pretty good. So I'm gonna clean all this up and use my homemade Lysol wipes that I just created. I'll link that video in the description box using only 2 items. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing here. These are my Lysol wipes that I use. That I created using Scott paper towels. And I didn't want to make the hole real big because I wanted to keep the white saturated. So as you can see, this I did this last night and it's still pretty saturated. So I keep just a little bit of it pulled out. And that's it. I just added this label to a container that was finished. And I already had this container from the Dollar Tree. I like it. Got the little handles on the back. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always find ways to help you save. Thank you, and have a nice day.